In this lesson I will show you how to make a pair of earrings using Murano glass, Millefiori Murano glass, some opal beads, metal beads, and some chain and findings, some eye pins, jump rings, and French ear wires. Let's start by taking one of those jump rings, and I will open this jump ring by using a pair of chain nose pliers. I'll grab the jump ring, and I will also grab the jump ring with the jump ring opener and open it like this. And now I will take the chain and put the chain on the jump ring. This way, and the second, the shorter chain, this way. So I put the two chains on the jump ring, and now I will take one of those pins, eye pins, and put it also on a jump ring, this way. And now I'll grab the jump ring with the pliers and with the jump ring opener and close it. Like this. So I have attached the chain to the eye pin. Now let's straighten the eye pin like this, and I will take the second eye pin and straighten it. This way. And I will take the next jump ring, grab it with the pliers and with the jump ring opener, open it, and I will put the chain like this, and I will put the second chain on the jump ring. And now I will also take the eye pin and put it on the jump ring. Like this. So the second eye pin had this ring attached with the chain. And now let's start making the earring by putting the beads. I will first put the Murano bead, the Millefiori bead, then I'll put the metal bead, and then I will put the opal bead, the semi-precious stone, this way. Now I will measure the end of the pin to see if it is necessary to cut with the cutting pliers, but it looks like the pin is long enough. And now I will create the loop. First of all, I will bend this pin to 90 degrees, and because this opal bead is very easy to break, I will leave 1 millimeter between the last bead and the place where I bend the pin. so that the bead doesn't break. Now I will bend the pin like this with the chain nose pliers. Now I grab the round nose pliers and create the loop. Before I close this loop, I put the fishhook ear wire on the loop like this, and now I can close this loop. Like this. And the first earring is ready. Now let's take the second pin. I'll put the glass bead, the millefiori bead, the metal bead, and the semi-precious stone, the opal bead. Again, let's measure. The pin is long enough, and now I will take the pliers and bend the pin to 90 degrees. Take the round nose pliers to create the loop. Put the fishhook ear wire and close the loop. Like this. So the two earrings are ready now. So these are the finished earrings, glass earrings with the Venetian glass. Let's make a pair of earrings, metal earrings with crosses. I will use a pair of pliers, chain nose pliers, and a jump ring opener. As findings, I will use some jump rings, fishhook ear wires, and some pieces of chain, and the metal crosses. First of all, I will grab the jump ring with the chain nose pliers and open it with the jump ring opener, like this, perhaps a bit more so that I can put the chain, like this. So now I have opened the jump ring, and I will put the fishhook ear wire and also the chain, like this. And now I will grab the jump ring again and close it like this, and make sure that the chain doesn't come out, that is perfectly closed. And now I will take another jump ring, grab it, and with the jump ring opener I will open the jump ring like this, and again I will put the cross on the jump ring like this, and the chain like this, and Now I will grab the jump ring with the pliers, and with the jump ring opener I will close the jump ring this way, and the first earring is ready. So as you can see, I have used the fishhook ear wire, a jump ring here, the chain, and the second jump ring here, and the cross. Now let's make the second earring. Again, I will grab the jump ring, open it with the jump ring opener, like this, put the fishhook ear wire and the chain, like this, and now I will grab the jump ring and close it with the jump ring opener. Make sure the ring is flat, and now this part of the earring is ready. Now I will take the second jump ring, grab it, open it, like this, put the earring, the cross, on the jump ring, like this, and I will also put the chain like this. Now I grab the end of the jump ring and close it, like this, and I've finished the second earring as well. Like this.